Let me to know this thing. It's too loud. It's too loud. Happy New Month, family.
Shots don't lie.
Please let us start our share, family.
Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset. Every time.
Let's get to 2K likes, family. 2K likes. 2K likes. Let's go.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Leave them. Leave them.
Hold your faith, don't
Leave
trade
them.
with fear. Breakthrough seasons get near. One smart move can
Leave them.
change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Take your profitable mindset every time.
2K likes, please. Let's go. Let's go. Happy New Month. Welcome to August. Welcome to August. Welcome to August. What a good week again. 13 weeks in a row. Let's celebrate, guys. What's up?
Shots don't lie.
Chats don't lie.
Keep your vision.
2K. Nice one. Thank you, family. We are starting soon, all right?
Setback
God bless you.
builds a stronger year.
Let's keep tapping and share the live stream.
Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
Yeah, hi. What's up? Good evening. Good afternoon. Happy New Month to you. What's up now?
I'm fine. I'm greeting you. How are you? I'm from Nigeria.
From Nigeria.
Yeah, from Nigeria. I cannot say, but I'm greeting you. I'm fine.
Are you a forest trader?
Yes, I'm forest trader.
Is this your first time joining?
No, I'm not the first. It's not the first time. It's not the first time.
Okay, you're welcome, sir. Happy New Month to you. Yeah. All right, thank you for joining. You're welcome. All right, so guys, I wish everyone happy new month. By the grace of God, this month is going to be a good month. It's going to be a wonderful month. It's going to be a profitable month. Please mute your mic, please. Let me to mute your mic, please. It's going to be a profitable month by the grace of God. Whatsoever we lay our hands on is going to prosper. Okay. and you guys should be ready for the challenges as well. So you're welcome. So I've cleared all my charts. All right. So this one, so I'll be clearing. This is the last trade for the week. So it was a good week for everyone. So 13 weeks in a row that we are celebrating, which is very marvelous. All right. Hello, Henry. What's up? Good morning. Good evening. How you doing, sir?
Good evening, sir.
Right on, sir. Yeah, you're welcome, boss. What's up now?
I wanted to greet you.
Okay. Yeah, happy new month, my brother.
God will bless you for what I've been doing for us. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Your life for a while.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. God bless you, boss. Thank you. You're welcome, sir. All right. So, guys, which one are we starting with today? Dan Sokoto. Dan Sokoto, have we greeted each other? He said, okay, you say hi. All right, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you, guys. So let us start with the V50. Like he said, let us check V50. Non-giving V50. Let me take this one down. So I'm going to be analyzing V50 from the beginning. Okay, then we see what we got. Okay, please let us tap and share. Let me bring this one here. Okay, good. Okay, so let us pick it from our 3-month time frame. So here we go on our 3 months. Okay. Hey Shatizi, what's up? Christas, what's up? So what we have here is we have a downtrend. From this high, we have a break to the downside. You break this high to this area. So if you mark out your fib level from this high, okay, to this low, we all can see that we still have the room for this guy to push up to this 50% level, at least, okay, to push to that 50% area. So all I'll be marking now is to mark out this support area that becomes our resistance. This is what 3MR. Or better still, don't let us to mark that zone first. Let us mark out the nearest bus stop, which is this level. Or coming. Let us mark out this nearest bus stop here. This resistance level. Let us use this area first. So once we have a break to the upside, then we are going to be looking for buy to this guy. All right. So this is our what? Our 3MR. Beautiful. So what do we do next? We go straight to our monthly time frame. All right. So here we go on monthly time frame. Okay. You will see that we have a drop, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. So there's possibility that market might actually do what? Still push up to this area or this resistance level, because here I have what? A nice resistance level here that give us a rejection. That is our monthly resistance level, MR. Where is our MR here? Okay, so here we go. Our market created another what? Resistance level here, this key level. So this is the area I will want market to actually come back to. Okay, which is our what? Our MR. Boom. So this our 3MR. Let us delete this one for now. Okay. So that we can have a clean chart. So now we expect market to do what? To push up to this area. That is my expectation. That is my expectation. And if you look at this area, all right, this guy, there's possibility that market is going to use this area to do what? To sell. Okay, that was the zone I said we should just be patient and let us wait, but we can just mark it and put it there, which is our MR as well. I will explain the work of that MR. Where we go. So the reason for this area is, number one, what market has done here. Market give us a nice push to the downside. This is an inducement leg, engineer liquidity. We now have this lower low. So market is likely to push like this. Okay, take out this guy and reject from here and drop again. Do you understand? And drop from that level. So market is likely to do this. Okay, so our bias is what we are looking for. What? More buys to the upside. And now this month has actually closed. Today is a new month, which is this candle. And look at what market is giving us. It's giving us a bullish engulfing candle. All right, we are having what? A bullish engulfing candle, which means we might have markets keep pushing to the upside. DJ Tiku, well done, sir. I agree to you. Thank you, sir. All right, so we might have what? Market push up to the upside, but we need to do some pullback. We wait for market to give us some pullbacks. All right, please let us tap on share. Hey, good evening, Mary Banks. Good evening, happy new month to you. That is on YouTube. You can see your comments right there. Thank you. So let us go to our weekly time frame now. All right, so here we go on weekly time frame. Okay, please let's keep tapping. All right, so if you look at this structure that we have right here, we have a massive drop. Okay, lower high, higher low, higher high, like equal low, right? Before we have this push. Okay, so market has given us what? A change in character. Okay, breaking this high, we have a double break. That is a nice double break, right? So want to see some pullback. Okay, let me return this one. Why am I taking this one away? So I want to see market pull back, maybe back to this area before we can engage for a buy. Do we understand? Okay, so that is what I'll be waiting for. Let me zoom. So last week candle give us this nice bullish candle. Okay, and now this is the present candle, whereby this candle is going to close tomorrow. That is 1 day and 6 hours. All right, and if you look at this area, we have this nice resistance level, but we have another key level right here that market can actually use before it starts dropping. Okay, but nevertheless, we need to be careful with this area. Okay, you see this area, we need to be very, very careful. Bello Junior, what's up, sir? Thank you for the admin. Thank you. All right, so this is our what? Our weekly resistance level, our WR. Boom, that is our WR, right? So if you look at this guy, there's possibility that market might break this high and push to this level. Okay, but the main place I actually want market to get to is I want it to keep buying this weekly time frame. I want it to keep buying, break this high, then give us a nice rejection from here and drop. But at the moment, we should be looking for what? Buying opportunity. All right, but we're looking at the structure that we have here. The market give us this lower high, higher low, higher high, this low, then higher high. I want to see market drop, then push up again. So now let's see what we have on daily time frame. Okay, so here we go on daily time frame. Get on, get flows. Please let's keep tapping. All right, so on this daily time frame, all right, what do we have? You realize that market give us some kind of consolidation markets here. Can you see that? Okay, so this was in strong support area. Okay, before we later have a break, we test here and market do this. All right, so this area is actually a very strong zone. Okay, it's a very strong zone that can actually make this guy to do what? to drop, that can make this guy to give us a drop to this area before we have this push. Okay, are you with me, guys? So Jason, go and do it there. Okay. You're not serious. Okay, so here we go. Now, before this guy can actually drop, all right, the main place I will want this guy to drop, you see all this area is my what? Liquidity areas. So if market wants to do what? Sell, it should sell from this area. Hey, Julius, I greet you. You're welcome, Mama. It should sell from this area. Good evening, ma. This is our daily resistance level. That's our DR. Okay. I will want market to push to this area. All right. So this guy, I still expect market to take it out because that is my liquidity areas. All right. So now let us zoom and see what market is doing here. Mind you, I told you that we have a massive push. Look at this massive push to the upside, and now we are having this pullback. But this pullback, look at what we have here. We have this nice indecision candle here before we have this break to the upside. So market can still use this area and reject and start pushing to the upside. This is weekly resistance, and let me just reduce this so that this will not confuse us. All right. So now on 4 hours, let's see what we have on 4 hours. Beautiful. So this is what our 4 hours time frame. I didn't see you on TikTok, so I came here, but maybe it's network. TikTok. I'm on TikTok. King Julius. So now what do we have here? This is 4 hours time frame. Market has pushed up here. We have this higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. Then we have this drop. The market is dropping more, right? It keeps dropping. So I want to see this guy drop to at least, let me see where it can actually drop to, because I still want this guy to drop, because we already have what? A change of character from this guy. If you change it to your line chart, you're gonna see. Please let us tap and share. Okay, so you see that very clean. All right, this eye is being protected because market did not break it. It created a lower high, then it break this low to the downside. Our market is doing a pullback here, rejecting from a nice key level here. Can you see this area? Market is rejecting from this guy right here. Okay, so let us go to let's turn this to candle. Please let's tap and share. So that is where market is rejecting from. Can you see that? It's rejecting nicely from here, which is our 4 hour. 4 hour right there. So I will want to see more drop to the downside. So this 4 hour is going to close in the next 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay, this candle. So let me go to daily and let me show you something on daily. All right, so here we go on daily time frame. So this daily time frame, right? I will want this guy to push to at least, let us see, maybe we have a rejection here. SML, thank you. Okay, we have this resistance level. Market has used this level. Yeah, market has not used this guy. Okay, but at least if you are selling, this guy can actually be the target. This breakout block that we have here, it can do what? Be the target. So let us mark that area up. Please, let's keep tapping. So let me just name it as what? Target. Where are you? Okay, target. Nice one. So let us go back to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, market is still gonna break this lower. I'm still seeing market breaking it lower. Okay, to break this low. All right. So market is here at the moment. Let me see the 1 hour time frame. Let me see how we can engage on this sell. One smart move can change your life. So now, so what we're gonna do right now is look at the structure first. Let me reduce this one. And this target. Let me take this target out first. Okay. So now look at this. We have a push to this high, low, high, lower low. Market came here, reject from this resistance before we have this drop. All right. So let us mark out our fib level from where market is rejecting from this high to this low. Can you see that that is a golden zone area, a nice area where we can actually take ourselves from? And if you look at the 1 hour, you see that 1 hour has given a confirmation. What is the confirmation that we have here? It's giving us a bearish engulfing candle. We have a bearish engulfing candle on this guy, right? We already have a bearish engulfing candle. So now it's actually good to take a sell. SL is going to be above here, then we go lower. Okay, so let me see the 15 minutes, right? Please, let's keep tapping and share. This is V50. All right, so this is the 15-minute time frame here. No smart move can change your life. All right, so on 15 minutes, what can we see here? We see that we have a change of character from here. Okay, market could not break this low. It give us a break to the upside, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Before we have a change here, all right, market break this, it break all this low to the downside, right? So let us see where market is rejecting from here, from this 15 minutes. From this high, okay, let us use this high. Market here to this low. That is 50% level right here, okay? So let me go back to 1 hour. We'll be taking this trade from 1 hour time frame. But what's the entry? You know, it is the target that is my own that I'm looking for. Okay, good. I've seen what I will use for targets. Let me see the 4 hours first. I've seen when I will use for my targets. Okay, let's go back to 1 hour. Where market is likely to start pushing to the upside. Because you see this area, you see this guy here, it's going to be what? A liquidity area. Okay, a liquidity area. So market can decide to use this guy right here to continue the buy. All right, to continue this buy. Please let us tap and share. This noise here. The noise is much.
Jason, you are disturbing your daddy.
The noise is much. Now, on this 1 hour, okay, if you mark out your trend line here, you will realize that we already have a breakout here. Okay, we already have what? A nice breakout. So we want to see what more drop to the downside. So I will be calling out a sell on this guy right now. Sell, short, go short. Go short here. Your SL should be what? Something like this. All right. Then our target is gonna be right here. All right, good. Please let us tap and share. Hey, Vira, thank you, Vira. All right, this is our first trade for the weekend. Happy New Month, everyone. Our first trade for the weekend. You know, this is a weekend trade, right? This is the SL. And here we go for the TP. Okay, so here we go for the first trade for the week. For the weekend rather. For the weekend, okay? So let me go save this right now, and I'm posting this guy now. Please, let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Hey, George, what's up? I want to go post this one now on the Telegram group. Ratio to profitable myself every time. What was the pay again? V50. Okay. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's tap. Let's tap. V50. We can V50 short now. Apply for product management. Weekend trade. Weekend signal. What's what you can change your mind? I'm posting this one now. Hey, babe. Oh, the job me be one.
Please
God.
now.
Okay, you know what? Send them inside. They should go to their room. What is it? Forward. To fit on the ground. All right, so it has been forwarded. It has been forwarded. Please, let's keep tapping. Ratio to profitable myself. V75. So are you all good with this guy, with this trade? Are you on the sell? Let me know before we go to V75. Are you on this guy? Are you on it? Are you on it? Are you on it? Let me know. All right. Come in, let me do my own sell. It's 18:30. V what? V 75. Okay. Priceless, it's not true. All right, so this is V75 and this is our 3-month time frame. So the only thing that we have here on 3-month time frame is we have a massive push here. Okay, we have a massive push to this down high, then we have this lower low. Okay, so I want to see markets keep pushing to the upside. So let's go to monthly so that we can mark out our zones. The risk taker, good evening, how are you doing? All right, so this is our monthly time frame. You see that what waiting market do for here, you see market give us waiting we dey call equal lows, right? Market give us equal lows, and those equal lows, they are what? Now fine chili wey dey down there, you understand? Now one fine chili wey dey down there, those two girls right there, okay? So anytime you go just see say market go just come down and take them out, you go, it's going to do what? Mitigate these zones before it continue pushing lower. But before this guy, okay, this guy wey dey push up now, before he go come down here, right? He gas go up here. He gas go up before he come down, right? So I have this kind resistance level, this support that becomes resistance level that has been tested before. All right, market can still come back there and give us what? A kind of rejection. So this is what? Our MR. All right, that is our MR. Okay, so this equal low, market is likely to do what? To come back here. So this is what they call a W pattern. All right, market give us this W pattern. All right, and this W pattern, market is not ready to push back to this our neckline so that we can continue our buy from there. But no problem. Since market don't want to do that, then we have no problem with that. So we just have to follow what market is likely to do. Okay. So now, Jesus, give me a minute, guys. Listen. Every setbacks. Kò sígbà tẹ̀ ní lọ sí Ìbàdàn. Babe, kò sígbà tẹ̀ ní lọ Ìbàdàn. You guys will go to Ìbàdàn. Make una leave me for now. Eh? What's the problem? Esha Alosha. That's what I know. Okay. All right. So now we have what? Small now.
Just say, please now. You are talking on that.
Please, I beg you.
Yeah, even begging you too. They are begging you too. They are begging you.
He said, Driller said, bro, I beg English. He said, I beg English. All right, so now we have this nice engulfing candle that is looking like a marubozu. All right, it push up this way, right? So I actually want market to push back so that before he continue the buy. Do you understand? But it seems this guy wants to continue the buy. And this kind of indecision can do this spiny top, right? It means that market is likely to do a continuation. But if it is a continuation, no problem. We're going to continue the trend like that, all right? So we go to our weekly time frame to see what we have. Just say, you see what I'm saying? So now, I want to see market keep pushing up, right? Because of that indecision candle that formed, right, is telling us that market wants to keep pushing. All right. And if you look at this area, what do we have? We have a nice resistance level here. Take note of this area here. This is our what? Our weekly support level right here. Sorry, weekly support, not resistance right here. WS. Okay, cool. Okay, so that means this guy don't want to do the massive pullback. He only just want to do a little pullback and continue the trend, because the momentum that this guy is pushing, is using from this low, is very crazy. Look at the way conveniently he break this high, conveniently giving all this indication and push up again. Conveniently he break this strong resistance level as well. So that means the momentum is still crazy, still high. The buyers are still in charge. So the only thing we should be focused on is on how we can engage for a buy. Do we understand, guys? So let's zoom and see what is going on right here. This last week candle, it give us what? A reject from this guy. And now this is the present week, which I still believe it want to push up. Now look at this, my entry model that is forming here. This my entry model here. It's not going to work to me. Because normally what I'm supposed to do is to look for what? A good entry from here and sell off. But because I just want to follow the trend of the market, I need to look for what? A buy setup to the upside. Okay? So let us consult our daily time frame right now. Please, let's keep tapping. Now, look at the reason why I'll be buying this guy. Okay. Now look at what's up here. From this low, this guy, we have a high low. Okay, but this is where we have the massive push. It created this guy. All right. You have another higher high. Market take all this low out as what? Inducement legs, liquidity, engineer liquidity. All right. The market came here and give us this sweep. So even though this guy, this area that's supposed to be the entry zone, you will see that we have a break to the downside right here. But this break that happened is just for market to take out people out here, because a lot of traders could have engaged for a buy right here and they will put their SL beneath here, and market is going to take them out and push like this. Oh God, I hope you're getting me. Please let us tap and share this live stream. So now we already have a sweep that happened right here. Market take out this low. Okay. Market took out that low. Okay. And now we have a break of this high. If you want to see it clearly, change it to line chart. You see the way market gave us a higher high. From this low, we have a higher high, breaking this high to the upside. And now it's doing this pullback. Now, if you now mark out your fib level from this low to this high, this is the discount level that market is using. Market is using the discount level right here. So what we say, market keep pushing to the upside now. Okay. Oh my God, don't worry. Okay. It's happened to me. What happened to you, bro? Samuel Okere, I greet you, Samuel. Please let us share this live stream. If you haven't followed, make sure you follow. So what do we need to do right now? We need to go to our 4 hours time frame. We are looking for buys. Market is already on the way right here. But we are looking for the buys. Let us consult our 4 hours time frame and see. Okay. Look at this beautiful setup right here. Now, if you look at what happened right here, okay, This area, oh my God, sorry. Now this area is a very strong area, which market is giving us what? A kind of what? Inverse head and shoulder. That is what market form right there, right? So from here, we have a massive push, inducement leg, a higher high, market has taken it out. It comes to this area to give us the inverse head and shoulder. And let me tell you the confirmation that we have right here. I will be asking this question. Let me know, maybe you know candles. Okay. Please, I want answers. These three candles right here. What is the name? What is the name of this candle? I'm expecting your answers on the comment box. What is the name? Morning Star, Mr. Samuel, Morning Star, okay? This is not armor. I'm talking 3 candles. 3 candle is never armor. Morning Star, oh me, okay, Morning Star, all right? Morning Star. What is the name? Evening Star, Shatizi, okay, Shatizi. Before my hand. Evening Star, okay. Morning Star, Kwepola. I like this, your star, SCA. Arami, Arami, I understand, okay? Evening Star, before my hand, Mark. Okay, let's go. What is the name? Morning Star. HK said Morning Star, all right. TD soldiers. No. This is not TD soldiers. Look at what I circled. Look at what I circled. It's a bullish reversal candle pattern. My brother, you're giving me story. That is a story, you know. I'm only asking, what is the name of this pattern? This is what they call Morning Star. Those of you that say Morning Star, cheers to you. This is the Morning Star as confirmation for the buy, right? Cool. Yesterday I wanted to take this buy, but I was just so busy. But nevertheless, we're still gonna take this buy. Don't worry. Now let me ask this question now. Let us assume this candle has closed. Okay, let us assume it. What is the name of these 3 bullish candle? These 3 bullish candle. What is the name? Let's go. We are all learning together. 3 wise men. Bro, it's Morning Star. Yeah, he's a Morning Star. Please, let's keep tapping. Evening Star is the one on the resistance if it's selling, okay? So Morning Star is the one on the support level. So what is the name of this 3 candle that I just marked out? I cannot see your comments on YouTube, guys. You guys are not engaging. What's going on? My brother said 3 wise men. Shout easy. 3 soldiers. 3 soldiers? 3 soldiers? Are they yellow soldiers or blue soldiers? 3 black soldiers. Where did you see black soldiers, my man? What is the name of the 3 black candles? 3 white soldiers. Okay, I can see that. Okay, on YouTube. God bless you. All right. Okay. Let's go. What is the name of these 3 candles? We have 2 confirmations. We already seen Morning Star. And market is giving us this 3 candle as well. So let us just assume this candle is closed. What is the name? This is what they call 3 white soldiers. Those of you that say so, cheers to you. This is a 3 white soldiers. So how do you think we can engage for this buy? How do you think we can engage for this buy? Now, this is how big guys make their money. Let me explain. This is 4 hours time frame, right? If I'm to take this trade, do you know that I'm just going to engage on a buy? I'm not going to wait for any pullback. I will just engage for a buyer, pull my SL right here and push. Boom! Boom! Question for the girls. Okay? So I'm just gonna take a buy right now and put my hands on right here and I go, boom. I don't need to stress myself for any pullback. But as for those people that don't really have the money, Okay. Then I want to go low and I said, okay, let us check the 1 hour 15 minutes so that we can have a better entry. But to be frank with you, with those two confirmations is enough for us to engage for the buy. We are already late for the morning star confirmation. We could have engaged our buy from this morning star, this closure of this candle. We could have engaged. So let us go to 1 hour and see. Let's consult the 1 hour time frame. Please let us tap and share this live stream. Let's get to 30K likes, guys. All right. As you can see, we already have a massive push. So how do you think we can engage on this? Let me ask this question. If you want to take a buy now, what do you think you will do? Please let us engage. What do you think you will do? Market has already given you the confirmation that, okay, buy. But now, you are looking at it that, this thing is too long for me. Although where we are targeted to long, kind of, right? But what do you think you will do? Let me throw the question to you guys. As a trader, if you don't know, just drop your comment. Say, I don't know. Or as a professional trader, or you actually, maybe you're trying your best. What do you think? What will you do as a trader? I'm waiting for your comment, guys. Happy new month once again for those people that are just joining. My name is Rachel. If you're just joining, I go live every day, and every Saturday and Sunday is actually in the afternoon. Retest of broken resistance. Okay? Okay. You're talking about this area. Okay. I got one. I'll wait for 50% pullback. On way. On low survey. Wait for pullback. I know. Pullback to where? I mean, like, what range? Pullback. Okay? 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 Wait for pullback. Okay, wait for pullback. All right? Wait for retracement on 1 hour to that shoulder. For it to be like head and shoulder. Okay. Okay. I see that. That's cool. That's cool. All right. I love that. So now, simple thing, right? Normally, we have a high here that got broken. Let me zoom in so that you all can see. All right. We have a resistance level here that got broken. Am I correct? But to make it easier, right? Just make sure you draw. Once you see the market is dropping, what you should just do is just pick your fib level. From this low to this high. The best thing, use your 50% here. So from this 50% right here, we have imbalance in here. We have imbalance in here because market can decide to use this guy or this area for the pullback. I don't know you're getting in. Okay? So if you engage your buy from here, market can tap in here, pull back. You can use this guy, pull back, and your SL is gonna be below this guy. You don't need to put your SL here, put it below this low. And that's what we're gonna do. How is our trade going, guys? Are we going profit or we are on drawdown? Please let us keep tapping, guys. Okay, so what did I delete that? Okay, good. So what I'm going to do right now is to put our alert here. Okay, we're gonna put alert right here. We don't need to do aggressive. Let us just wait. Bello Junior, Bello Junior, my brother. What's up, my brother? What's up? His family. Happy New Month, bro. Happy New Month, sir. Please let us start and share this live stream. Okay, so alert is being set right there. So anytime I can get to that level, I will be notified. Okay, I will be notified, definitely. So from there, we're gonna go for buy. D. Please, let's stop. Trust your plan. Let the market flows. 75. So that's it. So 75 is gonna be on our favorite. Let me put it up to favorite. Next week Sunday. What happened to next week Sunday? What happened to next week Sunday, bro? This 75 1S. Okay, Billy Jr. What happened to Sunday, son? All right, so here is the trade wheel on. I just want to see the update, right here. Okay, market is on our entry point. So in case you're not on this trade, you can join us. This is the first trade for the weekend. So what we normally do on a weekend like this, I give a free trade for both the VIP and the free Telegram group. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is right there on my bio. Just click the link and join us and follow us. Let us grow together as a trader. And make sure you follow me so that anytime I go live, you're going to see the notification bell. All right? So let me quickly show you something, all right? I go live every day. Here we go. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream. If this is your first time. All right? As you can see, 9 a.m. Okay? Monday to Friday, I go live. Weekend, Saturday and Sunday is anytime in the afternoon. So on a Sunday, what I do on Sunday is I do weekly bias on our currency pairs. And after doing the bias, we go back to synthetics. So we focus mainly on synthetics because now money we define. So we live stream both on YouTube and TikTok. So do not miss out because we've been doing this since last year, November, back to back every day. So make sure you follow. All right? And if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is right there on my bio. Click it and join. And I have our VIP. My VIP is $20 to join. And our 2-week subscription is $10, whereby I'll be removing this $10 anytime soon. Okay? So let us continue. You will get. Please, let's keep tapping, family. Let's keep tapping. 3 white soldiers. Okay, I'm just saying that's a comment. So let's go check V75 1S before we go to V30 by Vincent. Okay, so on Sunday is your pet day. Please remind us, all right, so that we can celebrate you, okay? So that we can celebrate you, brother. So which one are we checking now again? V75 1S. Okay, V75 1S. Go and shoot yourself with your fake gun inside. Go now. I don't understand. Okay, so here we go on our 3 more time frame. Please, if you are enjoying this live stream, say yeah. Let me hear you say yeah if you're enjoying this live stream. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream. All right, let's keep tapping. Yeah. All right, thank you. Oh my God. All right, on 3 more time frame. Okay, from this high, you see the market give us a nice high right here, another lower high, but something now changed. What do you notice? You see the market is now breaking this high now. Something has changed. So that means market has shifted. It's about to shift. It's on the way, on the verge of shifting. Okay? So what do we need to do, right? We need to mark at this bus stop right here. Because that is the nearest bus stop. This guy right here. That is the nearest bus stop that market can actually get to. Which is our what? Our TDMR. And as you can see, market is fast approaching. We don't need to mark this guy now. We're going to set the level that we're going to mark on our monthly. So let us see what we have on monthly time frame. Beautiful. So here we go on monthly. Okay. So as you can see, this candle closed yesterday. How did it close? How did it close? He actually closed above this guy. Am I correct? Let's check. It did not. Look at that. It did not close above it. It was giving us a rejection. So what means is that there's high probability that market can give us some kind of confirmation here and drop. I don't know if you're getting it. Because where market is right there is the danger zone. This area is a danger zone. Okay? Because there are many things that can actually happen. Look at all these weeks the market created. Look at all these weeks. All these weeks are what? They're actually liquidity. The market can quickly grab and still sell off. So we might see a nice zone here on lower time frame that can make us to sell from there. Are you getting it? So if you look at this area, so this is our monthly resistance level, MR. Let me quickly mark that. Beautiful. So now look at what waiting sub for here. All right, we have equal low right here. So which is giving us like a W pattern. Market has broken out from this W pattern. It break out from this neckline, and market has gotten to where the W leg started from. This was the leg that started the W pattern. Market has completed it already. So there's possibility that we might have a sell setup here to drop or a continuation. Are you guys with me? Okay. And if you look at this guy, you will see that this resistance level, market has actually mitigated it. So let us see what we have on weekly time frame now. So let me reduce this our 3 MA so that this won't stop. Good. Now here we go. Aha. So to me, do you know what this guy is telling me right now? Okay, because I think I understand the language, what this guy is doing. Like I said, I mark this area out as our what? Liquidity area, engineer liquidity. You can call it anything you want to call it. You can call it inducement, because it's actually an inducement area. A lot of traders will have a sell limit right here. And market will try as much as possible to do what? To take all of them out. Because this is where market started from. I mean, before we have the massive push. Are you getting me right? Market pushed all the way down. It created this high, created a lot of jargons. A lot of money is being rested around this area. And market give us another lower low. Then from this lower low, you will see the market did not break it. It was being protected. It got rejected and start pushing to the upside. So from here, you will begin to see markets trying to do as if it want to sell from here. But guess what? That is what I said. Market is in a danger zone. Market is definitely in a danger zone. So it is now left for the smart traders to see how they can actually do what? Engage. Okay, so let's go ahead. Please, let's keep tapping. All right. So like I said, I told you the market is likely to keep pushing up, right? So we need to be patient. We need to see a proper break above this ice. So what I'm going to do right now, you see this guy, he should just come out first so that this will not disturb. Let us reduce this one first. And this guy said, make it just do one side first. The thing that we need right here is this. Let me show you. The highest high that market created is what I want to mark out, which is this guy. Boom. This is my what? Weekly resistance level. Please let us keep tapping. Do you understand? So what do you think I'm gonna be doing right here? I just want to wait for a weekly candle to close above before we engage for a buy. Please let's keep tapping. On YouTube, please let us share the live stream. So let me tell you the reason why I'll be looking forward to buy to this area. Please let's keep tapping. Now look at this. You will see that what market did right here, right? Market push up from here to this high. We have this low. It give all this high, taking this high out. We have our change of character here. You know, I'm just marking the main move. You understand? So don't be confused, right? So we now have a break to the downside. It now created all these lows, all these jargons here as what? Inducement leg. And market created all these lows. So we want to see market push up. So we want to see market push up to this area and sell off again. That is what I want to do. So the pattern that this guy is doing right now is do we have this pattern? Let me see. That looks like corp. Let us see together. That looks like corp. You don't think where I use this thing last to don't Jesus. Okay, don't let so that this that looks like basket. Don't let this thing to disturb us. So what I'm actually talking about is market is giving us something like this to the upside. That looks like baskets. Okay, that is what market is likely to do. So we keep seeing more buys to the upside, and we are going to capitalize on that. Please let's keep tapping. So what I'll be waiting for right here is for this weekly candle to do what? To now close above. So once it closes above, this our weekly resistance is going to turn to weekly support. Then we'll begin to look for buy setups. Because if you look at the pressure, the volume that we have from where market pick up from here, all right, it push up here, little look back, and now we have a push. And if you look at all these candles, there is no single bearish candle. Rather, market was giving indecision candles. Like what? Doji. Like what? Spiny top. But market keep pushing gradually. So that means buyers are still in charge. So let us be sincere. We just need to wait. So we are on our waiting period on V75 warnings. So until this weekly candle closes, before we're gonna know what to do, it has to close. And it needs to close above that level. Once it closes above the level, then we're gonna look for buy from tomorrow. So for now, stay away. Which pair are we going for, guys? Which pair are we going for now? Please, let's keep tapping. Let's get to 30K likes, guys. Let's get to 30K. V25S. V25S. Where are you? Where is V25? Okay, I can see you. You don't need to hide. Are you scared? It's actually scared. Okay, let's go to 3 month time frame. Please, let's keep tapping. So here we go on 3 month time frame. What can we see on this 3 month time frame, right? Okay. What can you see on this 3 month time frame? Now you all can see the market is giving us what? A nice push up. a pullback, push up, a little pullback, push up, and it's doing some little pullback. Little pullback, we might have another push up again. We need to. So now, let us zoom. Okay, and let us take note something. All right. Number one, we have a resistance level right here. Okay, which is our what? 3ms. All right. And look at this liquidity, this engineer liquidity for market to use to push up. So two things is likely to happen on this pair. All right. If you have to go by that, we have a zone here, this support range right here, and this is what engineer liquidity in this leg before we have this push to the upside. So I'm gonna be waiting for market here. If market doesn't respect this, I'm gonna be waiting for market right here as well. This support area. Go check inside. It's not here. This is another 3ms. So I have two zones for this guy. Market to use this area. We have this support. Okay. Okay, let me rather just change it to this support area. Okay, good. All right. So these two zones are areas that market is likely to use. And look at what we have right here. We have a bullish candle with this indecision. This looks like what a doji, but it's actually not a doji. This is a spiny top because we can still see the open and close. A doji is a candle that you can't even see the open and close. But so far you can see the open and close. It is what a spiny top. But it's still the family of indecision candle. All right, so it is an indecision candle, and what it means is we might have a pullback or a continuation. But how I wish, all right, how I wish this indecision candle was sweeping this eye, so that it's gonna look like a CLT. How I wish this guy is sweeping this eye. But nevertheless, we have a bearish candle that is printing. So let us go to monthly time frame and see. Because if you are analyzing market, you need to understand every bit of what you're doing. You don't need to rush whenever you are analyzing the market. Understand. Hey, can you guys leave there? Can you put up the tab? Okay. So this candle is giving us what? A kind of equal highs right here. Okay? Which is going to look like what? A M pattern. Are you guys following? It's going to look like a M pattern. And this is the neckline. So this neckline have a lot of job to do for us. It has a lot of work. All right? So let us zoom. Take note of what happened right here. We have this resistance level. Boom. And this is the CRT that I was looking for on the 3-month time frame that I could not see. But on monthly time frame, market is giving us the nice CRT. Oh God. Look at that. If you don't know CRT is what they call the candle rich theory. Candle rich theory. Okay, so market has taken this IR, and market could not break above this resistance level. Market still came back here, reject this last month candle that just closed. It closed as a bearish candle. So what do you expect, guys? Guy, sit down and eat your food, Baba. Just say don't do that here, please. All right. So we have this in near rest bus stop. Boom. That was the neckline for M pattern. So this area is going to be our MS. Jesse, I just spoke to you right now, right? Okay. This is our what? The neckline for the M pattern. So we're going to be looking for opportunity to sell to this key area. That is what we want to do. Simple. So we go to weekly time frame. All right, and this is what we have. And over the weeks, how many weeks can you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 weeks in a row. This guy has been bearish. But the bearish movement is not with the volume is not that strong. You can't compare this kind of move with this move. We only have just 2 candles from here to this high. But imagine how many candles that we have here. So people that are selling here, market could have taken a lot of people out when it was doing the pullback. Yeah, MR is the market resistance. Is the monthly resistance level. That is the MR. Is the monthly resistance level. MR. MS is the monthly support area. Okay. So, do you know that we now have a destination? See, if you are going somewhere without a destination, that means you are lost. You are lost. But if you're actually going somewhere and you actually know where you're going to, you are good. That's how forex traders make money. Because they have destination. They know where they're going to. They know where they are coming from. They know where they want to stop. They know where to want to do some little stop where they can get some groceries alongside as they're going to their final destinations. Stopping by buying their groceries, that means that is where they're having their TP1, their TP2. But their full target is the main destination that they are going to. So you need to understand all these things. You don't just trade blindly. You don't just trade because I just want to take a trade. You trade for a reason. What is your purpose? Why did you enter this trade? Why did you engage? Anything you're doing, you should always have reason. You want to do break even, you should have reason for your break even. You want to take your TP in a certain level, you need to have reason for that. Market is running on your drawdown, you want to close the trade, you need to have a reason why you want to close the trade. You don't close your trade because you are what? Scared of losing. That's going to be a topic for another day. All right, so let's go back. We are looking for sales, but the momentum we are having is not good enough. So that means if you are selling this market, you still need to be very careful because of the pullbacks the market has been giving. Look at all this week we have here, all these upper shadows, they are pullbacks. All right, so let's go to what? Our daily time frame. We're only looking for sales. Please, let's keep tapping and share. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is daily time frame, right? You will see from here, market push all the way down, a little pullback, lower low, lower high. We have a break to the upside, higher high, higher low, higher high. Before, what do we have? Now we have a change of character again to the downside. Oh my God. I love what I'm saying right now. They say, what is the problem? I say you don't come here. This is not a feed, for Christ's sake. How? My kids love to play. They can play for Africa. All right. So look at what happened right here. This is a strong resistance level. It's a very strong resistance level. Okay? And this low that was created, look at the way we have this bearish candle with a massive volume, giving us the change of character to the downside. And want to see market pullback, which market has done. What do we want to see? Boom, to the downside. Very good. Please, let's tap and share. Ratio 2. Profitable mindset. Okay. Every time. You need to listen to the music if you haven't. All right. If you want to mark your trend line, pick your trend line like this. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Waiting for who? Okay, we're gonna turn down the guy. Okay, I think we're cool like this. I don't need to stress it too much. Okay, if you change it to line chart, please attend to them. Can you see the beautiful line chart, guys? Can you see? Look at the nice touch right here. Look at the second touch right here. And now look at this. We have a break. So where are we selling from? We selling from this guy. We want to sell from here to the downside. Simple as ABC. So we're gonna be having a second trade on this guy. Damn it. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream, guys. So this is our DT. Let me change it to DT. Our daily trend line. Boom. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours time frame now. We are looking for sales. That is what we want to see. Boom. Here we go. Oh, I love what I'm saying right here. This is beautiful. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream, guys. Velo Junior. Where are you, bro? Please come up, bro. All right, please, let's keep tapping, guys. Now.
My boss, good evening.
Hey, SML, what's up? Happy New Month to you. Are you at Pella's wedding? Are you were not invited? You were not invited, right?
I don't think I don't want.
No problem, bro. What's up?
This one for 1 hour time frame, I did on buy you. I did buy to 9 or 3, 9 or more 3 resistance.
You're going for buy, but me, I want to go for sell. So what we gonna do to that, bro?
I said.
What do you?
I didn't reach something I feel afford. No,
Of course. That's what makes us a trader. That is what makes us a trader. You are selling me, I want to sell you, you're buying. That is what makes us as a trader. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Who is in Pella's wedding?
my reason for this buy now, that from a room already there.
Yeah.
And if you say market, no, go to that side, they go. Push your market, push your screen to this side. Yeah, for this line, for this one, this pullback now. Now for the 50%, which are my network have been my
Is your network? But don't worry. Let me.
50% by
Don't worry. Let me just finish my analysis. Okay. Let me finish my analysis. We will be going for sale. Bello Junior, what's up? Good evening. Okay, good evening, sir. Happy New Month to you. Welcome to August.
We should the same.
Yes, boss. What's up? Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
You wanted to ask me?
yeah, the way I they talk me. Oh, I can't like the way I they talk. Oh. It be like say the ginger.
It's good now.
The ginger they make people they. Oh my god. All right. It's not easy, bro. All right, so let's continue.
I dey look for trades I go hold for 1 month. And I dey watch that this 70, 75 minus. I dey watch out.
You dey watch am, right?
3, 4 days. I dey
Okay. Let's see. Okay, so family. Now, I told you I want to sell this guy. And because I have where I want to go to, and if market don't want to go to that level, no problem. I have no problem with that. I have my entry model right here. Please, let's keep tapping. That is why I come back to this daily. I have this my daily resistance level. Okay. That is our DR right here. Boom. Okay. And from my daily time frame, market has broken up from this guy. So what do I need to do? I go to my 4 hours time frame right here. One smart move can change your life. Oh my God. So, what do you think I should use for entry? I'm thinking of using this area for my entry, but market is likely not to get there. Because what market is trying to do is trying to use this trend line. And look at what market do right here. All right. From this area, market give out a lower low, lower high, inducement leg, lower low. Then market has broken out from this inducement line. It took it out. So market is reacting from this key level right here. It's reacting from this key level. Okay? It's reacting from here. How we have imbalance in here. But this is where I would love to take this sell from. But nevertheless, you know, sometimes you might have 2 points of entry areas. Okay? So you will know how you want to go about it. You will know that, okay, that means I have 2 trades here. I'm going to go for the first one because I've already seen the confirmation for this one that I want to go for. All right? And the second one, if this one fails, this is how to trade. If you realize that this one has failed, okay, you do what? You take the second one. So there's no problem with that. Okay? So this area, I'm going to be marking this area how? As where I'll be using for my entry. This is where market used, boom, as our 4-hour zone. Boom. Because it's inside this imbalance that we have right here. And this is the liquidity the market has taken out. And look at this confirmation. We have what? A bearish engulfing candle. Simple. We have a bearish engulfing candle. Name of the song playing in the background. This is my sound. It is my sound. I sing this song, okay? With help of, what is it called? Auto-tune. A lot of auto-tune. My voice no sweet, rich like this. So be sincere. You know, sweet, rich like this, but at least I see the try small for. I am a composer, alright? This is my sound. Okay, it's a sound that motivates traders. It's a sound that you need to be listening to anytime you analyze the market, anytime you want to engage the market. It go to give you some good vibes if you listen to the sound. Don't worry, after this one, I'm going to increase the sound so that you can enjoy the sound, okay? I will increase it later, not now. Actually, I have not actually put the sound on any platform. Okay, I've not. All right. So what I just did is I just used it for my background sound. So a lot of people seriously I've been saying that I should put this on the platform, you know. So I think I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So once I put it in any platform, I will want everybody to promote this song for me. If you can get to Jeffrey, if you can get to Abby, if you can get to anyone, they should vibe to the song for me, man. Let it go viral. But I didn't really plan for this. It's just something I just use for like play. Not be something where I plan for. But nevertheless, God can say if you blow from there, anything if you saw. All right. On this 4 hours time frame, market has already given us what? A bearish engulfing candle. After this rejection, we have this bearish engulfing candle as confirmation. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. All right, let's go to 1 hour time frame. All right, here we go on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so this was the rejection I told you. Here we go. Yeah, this was the rejection I told you guys. All right, and what did market do right here? Please, let's keep tapping. Okay, now we have this massive drop giving us this change of character. All right, we have this high, low, high. So let me change this to line chart so that it's going to look clean to us. All right, so this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have right here. Market has taken this high out. You sweep this high and it's giving us a change of character right here. You take out this high and it's giving us what? A change of character. Market has taken this low out. All right, so I want to see a continuation to the downside. Every time. Okay, so this is what we have. So market is doing some pullback. All right, if we engage here, our SL is going to be here. Then we go low on 1 hour time frame. This is V251S. You see? 15 minutes, let me just see what is going on 15 minutes. So this is 15-minute time frame. Okay, so from this high, this is a change of character that happened. We have a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high. Now a lower low. So this lower low, if you look at this lower low, it's not breaking this low yet. But market has already given us what we call head and shoulder. Look at that. Market has given us what? A head here, a shoulder here, another shoulder right here. Can you see those things? Okay. That is when market break out from this gap. After breaking out from that gap, it did what? It created head and shoulder. Which means market is likely to do what? Continue dropping. And meanwhile, I want us to engage from 1 hour so that our SL is going to be above here. Some people will say, oh, this SL is too big. Guys, if you're trading, you need to understand some things. There are some zones that markets can decide to use, and it's not in your plan. So that is why you need to plan everything ahead if you're placing your SL. If I said, okay, let us engage a sell, let us put our SL above this guy, I can take us out. You can come back here to use this level and reject and sell. That is why higher time frame is very good. Fadipe, I greet you. Okay, Fadipe, I greet you. So here we go on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so we're gonna engage on this guy. All right, we go short right here. SL is gonna be here every time. Then we go low. Let's see what we can get right here. Okay, if I use this low to take down this low, that means we'll be getting about 2.63. It is not bad. It's not bad just to take out this low right here. It's not bad. Please, let's keep tapping. All right. So, guys, take your sell on 25 1s sharply. Let me take my sell, bro. Keep your vision clear. Let me create the sound so that you can feel it. Feel the song. Build a stronger, yeah. Patience, pace.
Let your winners run.
Let your winners run.
The race ain't over.
The race ain't over.
Till the goal is won.
Okay.
Hold your faith, don't
This is our hair cell. I don't know why you love me.
One smart move can change your life.
Here we go. I don't know Why my wife is laughing?
Turn the pressure into
SM.
priceless. Ratio to profit
796.
every time.
I said I'm going to beat you this evening. 054. Imagine she mistake in the law. Maybe I swear I'll beat you. Don't even need this last year, I swear.
Every loss is just a lesson. Don't
15.
stay disciplined. That's what champions begin.
Okay. I'll be doing my tipping later. Let me quickly go post this so that this will not turn a memory. Oh my god!
Let the mind
You guys don't know what I'm happy. Okay, our tipping in Russia.
trade can change it all. You know. Hold your faith. Don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough
Seasons getting in. One smart move can change your life. Woo! Turn the price, lose the price, okay, let me go post this one now. Every time. Sorry, give me a minute. Let me quickly post this guy. I want to post this guy, okay? A minute. Please, let's keep tapping. V25 1S. Okay. Let's go. So we have 2 trades running for the weekend. So we are ready for 2 SLs. We are ready for 2 SLs. That is how we trade. We don't give a damn. We don't care about the market. We don't care if market wants to chop our SL. We don't give it. We don't give a damn. V25 1S. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Listen to the sound.
Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless. Route you to profitable myself every time.
We can sing.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give it. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's
Getting in. One smart move can change your life. What's up?
turn the pressure into priceless.
What's up?
I'm good, are you?
Happy New Month.
That's looking good.
You're welcome, my brother.
Thank you, sir. I think is it because of this is my mood? Yes.
Everyone's what?
Everything goes smoothly.
It's going smoothly. Nice one, bro. Nice one. So now we have 2 trades. So we are waiting for 2 SLs. Yeah.
Keep your vision clear.
We are waiting for 2 SLs.
Every
Sorry, but I'm not taking this one because
builds a strong
can you hear me, boss?
Yeah, we can hear you. Why are you not taking this out?
patience, pace. Let your winners
I
run.
have like 4 trades.
The race ain't over
Wow.
till the goal is
Only you, bro.
won.
Only you, bro.
Your faith, don't trade
Oh, God of mercy.
breakthrough seasons getting near.
Oh. Wow. So somebody is asking that what is the update on this? So this is the update. This is the update on this guy. So this is the update on this guy, the sell that we took. So we have 2 SL that is running. I mean, 2 SL that we are waiting for. We are waiting for 2 SLs. Please let us keep tapping. Let us keep tapping. So you see, I'm not going to take any trade again for today because I want to make sure you take at least, if it is 1 trade tomorrow, so there's going to be 3 trades for the weekend. This is how we do it every weekend. All right. So if you want to join us every day from Monday to Friday, it is 9 a.m. in the morning, Nigerian time. I base in Nigeria, Lagos. Okay. That's where I base. Please switch pairs. This is V50. We are selling V50. And we are selling, what is the second pair? V25 1S. Okay. So these are the 2 trades we are selling at the moment. These are the 2 trades we are selling at the moment. So this is a weekend trade. Okay. We never start. So guys, it has been so good for us. I won't lie to you. For the past 3 months. All right. For the past 3 months on our VIP, we'll be having back-to-back wins. So 13 weeks in a row, wins. This week, we end it with profit as well. 13 weeks. So I don't know if God want to let us have 4 weeks. Okay, so already 3 weeks is running. So this next week, we hope for another challenge. We hope for SL. We hope for massive drawdown. These are the kind of vibe we will give ourselves. If you are looking, my brother, we go chop the SL together, but at the end of the week, we're gonna celebrate, you know. Oh my God! You see, SL is a beautiful thing. SL is a beautiful thing. Seriously, SL is a beautiful thing. Because, tell them to pack this thing. Because, you see, the day you begin to consider SL as part of winnings, I swear, you will begin to cash out every day. If you begin to see SL as part of winnings, my brother, you are good. Do you know the reason why people always have setbacks? They don't actually make money. Okay? It's because the kind of mindsets they have. Okay, this kind of trade. Do you think I give a damn? I don't care about this trade. What I care about is for market to come and use my hassle. I'm putting my money that I'm risking to the market. I am putting it into the mouth of the market. The market come and take it, come and swallow this. This helps me to use a proper risk management. This helps ratio to what? To use a proper risk management because of my mindset. So what kind of mindset are you having towards the market? Okay? And these are the things we'll be doing for a long time. By early December, I'm going to be clocking 4 years being profitable as a trader. I did not waste my 4 years when I was struggling. I was using my 4 years to build myself. I lost a lot of things. But if you should ask me, do you think I actually lost? I did not lose anything. Because all the things I have lost in the past, I got them back. So you are what? Having some setbacks now doesn't mean you're not gonna make money tomorrow. Oh, I sold this thing for Forex. That doesn't mean you will not get the better one tomorrow. I lost so much in the market. That doesn't mean you will not get your what? You will not get your money back in future. You cannot get your money back if you give up. The day you give up, say bye-bye to your money to the market. But if you don't give up and you keep pushing, my brother, my sister, you're gonna get your money back. The market cannot take your money away. It doesn't. It can't take it away. It can't take it away. All right? So I want you guys to have a good vibe, a good mindset for this month, because this is a new month. And I love the kind of energy I am bringing into this month. The same energy I used ever since we betrayed these incentives, that will be having wins back to back, is the same energy I will be using for this month again. And we go. Somebody come to my DM or WhatsApp, they say, boss, how you dey take do am now? I said, I'm not doing anything special. It is the same thing you guys are doing. You guys are actually good. You guys are actually good. DJ, what's up? Thank you, sir. You guys are actually good. You are a good trader. You don't need anybody to tell you. The only problem that you are having is because you never get the funds. The funds never show. It never show up. You are still there trading with $10, $20, $30, $50. Look at me, I don't count myself join too, because I'm part of those. Because I never reached the level of risking $100 per trade. And that is what I'm actually targeting for next year. We grow gradually, because we never see a big investor that can come in. So a lot of you are good traders. You are actually better than those people that are top there, that are there. But you need to take things easy. You don't compare yourself with anyone. Stay focused. Your breakthrough season is getting near. Look, listen to the lyrics. I sit down to write these lyrics. You are very close. You are very close. I mean, of buying your dream car. You are very close to getting to the level where you will be building your dream houses. You are very close. It is you that you don't need to draw yourself back. Don't let people to draw you back. Don't let people to deceive you. Don't let people to give you some canned-backed advice. Oh, Forex is this, Forex is that, Forex is that. Please tell us the TF. It's 4 hours time frame. Look at that. 4 hours time frame, bro. So please always stay around people that have almost the same mindset with you, that believe in your dream. Hey, see, they used to say every successful man, the wine is behind, or how did they take talk am? No be all successful man wife dey behind them. No be all. No be all. It might be a friend that is behind your success. It might be your mother, it might be your father, it might be it might just be your colleague in office that is behind your success. Because your wife can actually be somebody that doesn't believe in your dream. Yes. And that doesn't mean she doesn't love you. Of course she does. Of course she does. So as a forex trader, we need to be around people that believes in you, in your dream. Because if you are not careful, any little mistake, any little slide, bye-bye. Because there's no how you're not gonna have those strong challenges. And when are those strong challenges? The strong challenges is when you begin to lose to the market. It is not easy to lose money to the market. I know how difficult it is when I don't understand all these things. It was difficult, bro. Is it the emotion part of it you want to talk about? Is it the emotion part of it? It can actually damage your psychology. It can damage it all. Stay around people. That is why Rachel is here for you all. That is why I want us to have a strong family here. Even though if you are feeling sad anytime you come to my live stream, you're happy. Okay. Many of you that are married, your husband is not in support. Your husband is saying, oh, that gambling this thing. Don't worry. Everything is going to be fine. Okay, family? If you have any question, you want to talk to Rachel, you can send your request. Let us talk. And how are you preparing for this new month? What is your plan? What is your target? What is your plan? Time doesn't wait. Time doesn't wait. Each seconds, it keeps clicking. Come. It doesn't wait. Do you think the time care about you? Time doesn't care about anybody. Look at one of our brothers. He's going to be celebrating his birthday by next month. That means the years that he's going to use on this earth is reducing bit by bit. The years that you're going to use ahead is going to be reducing. The time ticking is reducing. I just pray everybody's going to live long. You don't need to be scared. But seriously, you need to take this thing serious. I took this thing serious, and I am very, very happy every day I woke up. I might not actually get to the level I want to get to, but when they talk about financial freedom, stop. I think I have it. Yes, because you can only be free when you don't have anybody you're saying, yeah, yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why did you come late? Look at the time. You are rushing, jumping balls. You are driving, waking up early in the morning, blah, 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 blah. You know, it's not easy. I know. Everything is time. Everything is time. In fact, let me tell you the real fact. I'm not even supposed to even stop my work now. But why did I stop? Because our government is so terrible. They cannot pay me. As only I get a place that they can, I'm getting good money at the end of the month. It's just going to be like additional. But with the little that I'm making, I'm using that to take care of my family, with myself. So guys, everybody will get there. It's just a matter of time. Just take it slow. You don't need to rush. So this month is going to be a profitable month, like I said, by the grace of God. And be positive. Okay? Be positive. You don't need to feel weak anytime you are having drawdown. You don't need to feel weak anytime you are having back-to-back losses. It will surely show up. It will surely come. God bless you. I love you guys. Thank you. So guys, I'll be leaving right now. Okay? I will be leaving right now because I want to have a meeting by 7. I'll be having a meeting by 7, and this is 6:20. I think I started this live around 4, right? So yeah, that's it. It's because of that. So guys, if you have any question, quickly send your request and let us talk. Sharp. And if you don't have any question, then tomorrow, of course, we definitely meet. All right, by the grace of God, tomorrow. So we have 2 trades, which is this one that is running And which one again? This V50. So these are the trades that we have that is running. Okay, these are weekend trades. So we see how everything goes, right? Into pride. Let me put on where is this thing here? Is it under settings? Okay. Okay, good. Please let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Those 75 V75 good. V75. Sorry, I don't want to check any pair again. So this one is enough because if you check another pair, we might want to engage in another trade. So let us just stop for now. These have to trade. If you have a target that okay, I don't want to do more than 2 trades, 3 trades, then stick to it. Because if you look other pairs, of course, you might see another opportunity you might want to engage. And it is because today is Saturday, weekend. I don't want us to be doing more than 3 trades. Okay, at least highest more than 3 trades. Okay, so tomorrow we might look for another opportunity that is going to make it 3. All right. So let us see how it goes. By tomorrow, we know the results of all these trades. But mind you, have it in mind that all these trades is going to hit our SL. Just have it in mind. Now SL trade, just have it in mind. All right, family. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you join us tomorrow afternoon. I'll be coming live. And if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is there on my bio. Click the link and join. And if you want to join our VIP, my VIP is $20. All right, and for monthly subscription, then 2 weeks is actually $10. But that 2 weeks, I'm going to remove it anytime soon. So if you want to join this our mentorship class, which I'm holding for 2 months. Okay, here we go. 3 times in a week, $50 for group class, and one-on-one online, $100 3 times in a week. So if you want to for that, okay, you can just DM me and we see how we can get started with that. So family, thank you so much. Take care and enjoy yourself. Listening to the music and take care.
Build a strong,
Patient
pace. Let your wings run. The race ain't over till the goal is won.
YouTube, thank you so much. God bless you.
Hold your faith, don't trade with fear.
All right, good night, guys. Thank you.
Seasons getting near. One smart move can change your life.